Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of Imagio AI. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros, and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this.
Memorable logos tailored to any niche or style. Whether it's minimal, bold, retro, or futuristic, Imagio AI brings your brand identity to life with scroll-stopping precision so you can stand out on websites, funnels, social media, and more. Generate unique, memorable logos tailored to any niche or style. Whether it's minimal, bold, retro, or futuristic, Imagio AI brings your brand identity to life with scroll-stopping precision so you can stand out on websites, funnels, social media, and more. Create fun, spontaneous, and visually compelling doodles that are perfect for explainer videos, presentations, or quirky brand assets. Add a personal, human touch to your marketing without lifting a pen. Imagio AI lets you produce lifelike or stylized sketches that look hand-drawn. Stop renting image tools you'll never own. Get long-term access to a premium AI suite hosted on our own blazing fast server that does it all. With just a few clicks, anyone can create scroll-stopping, studio-quality visuals using the same technology behind Midjourney, DALL, and Firefly, without ongoing fees. One dashboard. Unlimited possibilities, access power of 15+ world-class AI visual tools like Midjourney to Firefly to Remini, all in one streamlined workspace. No logins. No juggling subscriptions. Create scroll-stopping visuals instantly, produce studio-quality graphics, social media posts, traffic creatives, and brand visuals in seconds, without needing a designer, agency, or creative team. No rent. Zero monthly fees. Unlike individual tools that charge $20, $100/month each as rent, Imagio AI gives you everything under one roof, for a low, one-time price like you as an owner. Built for business owners and brands, from product mockups and lead magnets to e-com creatives and client deliverables, Imagio AI helps entrepreneurs launch, promote, and scale, visually. Supercharged by award-winning AI models, use the same AI image engines trusted by top creatives and big brands, like DALL E3, Stable Diffusion XL, Leonardo AI, and more. From sketchy idea to visual masterpiece, fast. Just type your vision, or upload a rough image, and watch Imagio AI turn it into a polished, high-converting asset in one click. Remove backgrounds, upscale, animate and restore, automatically need to enhance old images, remove clutter, animate characters, or boost resolution. Imagio AI has all the smart AI utilities built in. No design skills? No problem. You don't need to be an artist or techie. Imagio AI was built for everyday users who want pro-level visuals without a learning curve. Unlimited commercial use included. Use your visuals for client projects, ad creatives, social content, and even product packaging, with full commercial rights. Offer visual creation as a paid service, instantly with built-in commercial rights. You can sell AI-generated product shots, ad creatives, YouTube thumbnails, ebook covers, or social media content, to local clients or on Fiverr, Upwork, etc. Skip the learning curve, plug and play simplicity. No confusing UIs or advanced prompt engineering. Everything's streamlined so even beginners can generate powerful visuals with just a few clicks. Save over $10,000 yearly on third-party subscriptions. Stop spending like you own an ATM machine. Imagio AI lets you create scroll-stopping visual assets and save thousands yearly, hands down. Your visual edge in an overcrowded market. In a world flooded with generic content, Imagio AI gives your brand a stunning visual edge, helping you stand out, sell more, and look pro every time. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee included, zero risks as we're covering your purchase with Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Use abstract textures, shapes, and colors to set a mood, define a vibe, or give your brand a signature look. Ideal for backgrounds, hero images, print materials, and high-end digital creatives. Remove distracting or dull backgrounds in seconds automatically. Whether you're uploading product shots or headshots, Imagio AI helps you isolate your subject with pixel-perfect accuracy. Every month, thousands of hopeful online entrepreneurs take the leap, subscribing to every must-have AI tool they're told they need to succeed. They drop $1,600 on software stacks before they earn a single dollar. And just weeks later, they're locked out, overwhelmed, and burned out. With nothing to show for it but empty dashboards and maxed out cards. Their dream of online freedom. Gone, not because they didn't have the will, but because they trusted the wrong system. The truth is, when you're just starting out, you can't afford to gamble on monthly bills and bloated tools. You need something smarter, simpler, safer. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.